Today we're taking a look at the Wahl 2-in-1 clipper and shaver. This shaver combo is rechargeable. Let's open it up and take a look. Comes in a nice case, it looks like. Comes with several various sized attachments. Your shaver head, your Wahl charger. Comes with a pair of clippers. Let's see what the shaver looks like. Wow, this is nice. It's made for your trimmer. It already has a charge. We may not have to wait for this to charge up to try it out. I'm going to get the shaver attachment put on here, and we are going to try this out. It comes with a step-by-step guide on how to cut your hair using the attachments. You just pull it this way and it will pop off. There we go. You can squeeze these sides and that'll open that up, and that's how you can clean it out. And it has a cover on it, and remove that to get to the shaver part. All right, let's give it a try and see how it works. I would say it has a pretty clean shave. Let's put this trimmer part back on here. Put the bottom in first. Get it lined up and then push it closed. You're in business. If you're going to use this to cut your hair, you'll notice there's an angle. There's a particular angle that you use for the left side of your head and the right side of your head. You can read the instructions on that. It has the oil for your shaver, just a drop or two, don't overdo it. It has a brush to clean out the blades. You will just take this, slide it in like so, and pop it down on the back, and there you go. In other ways, it adds a gap between your blade and the edge. I like it. Does well. I think this is a good little trimmer. It feels good. It feels solid. It's kind of got a rubbery cover right here, so it'll be easy to grip, won't slide if your hands are damp. Easy on and off. Very nice. And that's it. That's the Wahl 2-in-1 shaver and trimmer.